Yo, yo. What's up, what's up? We're on another adventure.
Hi.
With Shay. Shay it again.
She's cold.
She's cold today. We are doing a bit of jungle exploring and tramping through some jungles to get to a fishing spot. It's been a little while since Shay's been out on the fly rod, but yeah, we're just doing some exploring. Nice. That was quick. First cast too. Shoshay. That was literally first cast.
It's flying off the handle. Go away. Does it go away from me or to me? He's big.
Good start to the morning. First cast.
Who called it?
Let's go.
Ah, he's a big boy.
You reckon?
I can barely hold the rod up. I forget how to catch a trout sometimes. I haven't done this in a while. Alright, I'm bringing him your way.
Right, Jose. Good trout, Shay.
He's beautiful.
Beautiful, man. Nice, Shay. Yeah, here's a big boy, Shay. Big jack. Yeah. Jack. Yoo!
Is that beauty? Is he good?
Beautiful.
Yo. Hi. Thank you, sir. That was easy.
First cast, man.
That was the easiest trout I've ever caught. We having trout tonight.
No, Shay.
Is that a song? How does that go?
We're getting ripped tonight.
I knew it. I reckon 5 at least.
Nah, 4.
We reckon 4.
4.9. Oh, nah, here's a 5 pounder.
Told you. Pound trout off the boat.
How do you just come in here out of a month off and cast first cast? That was on your egg too, eh? On the Gary's egg, getting it done again.
Who's Gary? Oh, Gary from Honey Fishing.
Alright, here we go, first cast.
Right. Indicators over there.
First cast?
Do you reckon you will?
Surely.
I mean, yeah, they're everywhere in there, right? They're eating.
First cast.
Yep. Oh my gosh! Let's go. I'll let you get ready and then I'll come net it. Unless you want to net it.
Oh,
Yo,
I can net it.
you got that mouth tactic.
I learned that off you.
Yeah, that works. That's how I catch so many trout.
First cast.
Woo! Jumping fish. Are you gonna actually net it? Do I get to see you do it?
Yeah.
I can do it.
Oh, you're right. Lucky first cast, eh?
Should we see how many? Oh, nice. Should we see how many times we can go in a row and?
If you get your next first cast, it'll be a Hattrick.
Yeah, I got to now.
The best I've done is 2 in a row.
Is that? Well, we just got 2 in a row. What's a turkey? Do you want me to come?
No, you're right. When your lead is like too long.
Woo! Look at that master at work.
Look at that guy.
Oh, he was a powerful
Little
guy.
pocket rocket.
Woo, beautiful.
Great start. Great start. Nice little pocket rocket. Alright, Shay, the challenge is up.
Oh my gosh.
3 casts. 3 casts.
Yeah.
3 trout. We need to get that Hattrick. Hattrick trout, here we come. Never been done before in the history of fly fishing.
You reckon?
Can she do it? Weighing in at 352 pounds, the light heavyweight champion, 3-time world champ. Can she get the Hattrick? She's opting for a long cast. Beautiful set by Cheyenne Lehrman. Great drift coming in. A beautiful drift. Can she get the hat trick? There it is. Can she land it? Can she land it? That's the question we're all asking. 3 casts, 3 trout. Can she get it to the net? Easy work, eh? Oh, another good one. Coming in for the net. Oh my god, I missed the net. Oh! Shot, there it is. Shot, Shay. Woo! Shay's trout.
Let's go.
Yoo!
3 for 3. Bye, buddy. Whoop, he got confused. He's like, uh-oh. So we're going blind.
So, I'll quickly show you the setup. Super heavy nymph. Like, I think this is actually a Euro nymph. And then Gary's Fluffy getting it
Fluffy,
done.
the Fluffy.
Right, so I had this idea the other day. It's called a blind set. Pretty much what it is I'll set the line up and then I'll get Shay to tell me when to set, but I'll look at her and I'll blind set it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All I'm going to do is get it drifting. You can tell me when I need a mend.
Okay.
Set.
I'll just tell you what I would do.
You'll know.
I'll just tell you what I would do.
Alright, ready? Blind set, here we go. This is also our 4th cast, so.
Alright, I gotta try and keep it on.
It's gonna be stupid.
Yep. Oh no, it went down. It did go down.
Okay, we'll go again.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we got a blind set!
Woo!
Oh,
Look at it.
oh Shay. That's nuts! That's a blind set! Not even looking!
Oh.
Shoshay. That was dirty.
Was that weird?
Yeah, I don't know.
You just have to trust me, eh?
Yeah, and I don't know where my line is.
Yeah.
Blind set. Oh. You should do the pump action set. Go boom. I don't know, maybe. A blind set. Who would have thought?
Dude, these toe warmers are nice, by the way.
Did they give you cookies?
What? What would they give you toe jams, darling?
Man, there's got to be like a little army of them all lined up down there.
Yeah, it'll be a family.
Yo, follow Shay's
Oh.
Instagram too.
Oh yeah, do I get to show
follow
them?
just because of their blind set.
The plug.
Her fast reactions is the reason I
What's my Instagram though?
plug it. Shade again.
Shay
On
underscore
Insta. Follow her
it
fitness
underscore
journey.
again.
Get inspired. Get fit.
Get food.
Stay hooked. We on.
Bring them to me. Got him.
Barbless hooks just
No.
fall out just like that. There's a little bit of a fresh guy.
Nice.
Ready to launch into that spot. So pull first and then pop a rocket up there. Yeah, nice. Strip fast, you gotta strip fast. Yeah, that's it. Nice.
No.
Wait, oh, perfect. Yeah, strip. Yep, nice. Nice. I gotta kind of snatch and grab if we're gonna keep catching them here. There you go. Easy, eh?
What? That was crazy.
That's what's so nice. There you go. Go up now. Alright, now. Oh! Nice.
That was weird. That was weird catching him on this bit.
Fuzzy, eh?
Yeah.
There you go.
Nice.
Off he
There you
goes.
go.
Go again. Woo! Oh my god. I don't deserve this. Man, he ran at me. What the hell? I tangled him. Oh my god. I tangled him. Look, my hooks are not even on him. Oh, I got someone else's. I hooked someone else's hook.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you got 3 yards.
Come with me. That was cool. So someone else's egg is attached. And I got there. They're running the same setup as me. Funny. So that's their setup.
What?
That's the exact same setup as me.
Is it?
Yeah. But I caught their line. Number 6.
Number 7.
See you, mate.
Where's he gone?
Man, it's getting cold.
Baby, that was number 7.
Number 7.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. She's pretty nippy today, though. It's a little hot water man. Boom. We're ready to go. Go give that to Shay.
You want me coffee? Hi. Coffee.
Oh, yo, you go like that with it and you can warm your
That's what I'm
fingers up.
doing.
Whoa, whoa,
Did you
whoa.
make yours warm enough?
My pinky is not working anymore. It's like disconnected
Can we have
from my
coffee
body.
in our toes too?
What the hell? Okay, that's a 6 pounder.